Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Christmas Kuromi. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the face. Let's draw two large curves out and back in. And then connect it with a curve at the bottom. Now top and side, and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two angles up. And then a long curve down underneath. And color these both in black. Now on the top corners, let's draw two curves for the eyelashes. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop down and let's draw an oval in the center here for the nose. And then a curve underneath for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Next we're going to hop underneath, and before we finish the head, let's draw two circles that touch in the center for the hands. And that's it for the hands. Now let's hop on top and let's finish off the head. Let's start in the center and let's draw a bumpy line out to the left, curve it down, and bring it all the way back in to the hands. And let's move up and let's do the same thing on the right side. Now to continue the head, let's start on the left and let's draw a large curve up, across, and back down. And now let's hop in and let's draw the skull. Let's draw a curve up and around, leaving the bottom open. Then let's draw two small lines down with a line across. Now inside the skull, let's draw two lines up at the bottom and two ovals for the eyes. Now lastly for the head, we're going to hop on top and let's draw the ears. Let's start with two angles up on the top left and two on the top right. And then let's bring it up with two angles to form a point. And then let's add a circle at the top of each ear. And that's it for the shape of the ears. Now let's hop in and let's draw two circles at the bottom. And one more on top. Now let's add a leaf on each side by drawing two curves out. And then two more curves meeting at a point to close off each leaf. and then add a small line inside. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop underneath and draw the body. Let's start by drawing a bumpy line around and underneath each hand. And then a curve underneath and back up for the bottom of the arms. Now top out and let's draw the collar by bringing it down and back in on each side. And then add a small circle at the ends. Now let's hop back down underneath each arm and let's draw a curve down and out for the dress. And then let's add a bumpy line across. Now for the end, let's curve it back in. And another bumpy line at the bottom. And that's it for the dress. Now underneath, let's draw the feet. Let's draw two curves down in the center. Then let's hop out and let's draw a small line down. And a curve out and back around for each foot. And that's it for the feet. Lastly, let's add the tail. On the right side, let's draw two curves up. A small line out on each side. And close it off with a V-shaped point. And that's it for Kuromi. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!